Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 15th, 2020, and we're checking on our fall crop of carrots and red beets. And you can see one of the carrots here forming up a nice carrot there. Now that's a Danvers half-long carrot there. And in the back over here we have the cosmic purple carrots. Now these are in desperate need of thinning. If you don't thin your carrots and they're growing too close together, what'll happen is you'll wind up with really small carrots. So these need to be thinned out. Now the voles got in the red beets and started trying to eat them. So that's in this big raised bed here where we normally put our potatoes at. So we took our potatoes out. They didn't really do too much, and we went ahead and planted red beets and carrots in this big bin. Now the sunflowers, they come up on their own and we just let them go. It's natural food for the birds, and they like to come and eat the seeds, and it's nice because you get to see them. And the potatoes seem to do better down in the hollow gardens. So it's just where they seem to grow better at. So we're thinning some of these out here so that the other carrots can get larger. So what we do when we thin them is we look for the largest based carrots that we can find at that time. So this is what we thinned out so far. Now some of these, sometimes when they're that close together, when you pull one out, another one will come out with it. And you'll get the little baby carrots then. But these will be good for supper. And we still have a lot more here to thin out and go with. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!